In this tutorial we will see that how you can watch football match live in just few easy steps. So I will show you two methods to watch football match live. So let's start with method 1. From your home page you can simply open up your Google and search for Sky Sports. Here if you scroll a bit you will find here this football. You can open it, then it will show you this accept cookies. Click on this accept all and on the right upper side it will show you these three lines. Click here. And here firstly you have to select sport that you want to watch live. I'm selecting here football and then simply scroll down until you find this live on Sky. Here you can see that it's showing me upcoming matches like Manchester United versus Fulham. Now if I want to watch live this match, simply I will click on that and it will open up like this. Then if you scroll a bit you will find here Get Sky Sports. Click on that and it will take you to this page. Again click on this Get Sky Sports and at last it will show you this upgrade now option. You can simply upgrade it to watch football match live. This was the first method. To try second method, from your home page open up your Google and search for ESPN. Search it. On the left upper side you'll find here these three lines. Click here and select your sport that you want to watch live. And if you scroll a bit you'll find here upcoming matches. You have to simply repeat the first step to watch football match live on this second method also. So these were the two reliable websites where you can watch football match live in mobile and computer legally in just few easy steps.